Hey, my brother, how you doing? Come over here down to the shop. We got all the used items, low prices. Come over here. We got you. How much you got?
Bro,
$1.50, 25
Yo,
cents.
you better look familiar. Come on, bro. I don't want to buy anything. Oh shit, that's him right there. Oh shit.
Are you okay?
Get
bro?
over here. Sit down.
What happened?
You don't know what you put me through today.
Who are you?
I just want to say bless you.
Bless me?
Yeah, because you sneezed earlier, remember? All right, brother. Enjoy your day. Stay safe, okay?
My brother, you could bless me too by buying my new products. Everything $5.99 and down.